Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you proper defending tips and trick how to defend in eFootball Mobile 2024. So before we start, I made this video for beginner new to this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the mission or objectives, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started. All you have to do right now is just tap these extras and go to the game settings here, and then tap the play setting here, and cursor change, try to tap on assisted. So if you got manually, it's for advanced user, or you can go to semi-auto, but for beginner I recommend you to use this assisted cursor change. And then for the cursor type, a or defending control type here, sorry, don't use the pressure styles, so use the standard one. So if you use this a pressure style, you will get a hole on your defense, so your shape on defense will be bad. So please free to try. I hope you can learn a defending by time, so practice to make your perfect gameplay in mastering this game. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.